Hello, Mrs. Talkington here. I'm going to show you how you can make the bridge for the Three Billy Goats and the troll. You're going to need to start with a cereal box, and you should be able to make most of the puppets and all of the bridge from one box. So if you open up a big cereal box, lay it flat, we're going to use the two narrow pieces from the sides in here. So we're going to cut those pieces out. So I'm going to cut along, follow the line. It's handy that line's there, so you don't have to draw anything. You don't need that piece. You need this piece, and the reason you need these two pieces is so they're the same width, and they've got keep the flaps on the end because they're going to be useful for making it stand up. Keep going all the way to the end. There we are. Now we're going to need that big piece in a minute, so don't get rid of that bit. Now this is going to be the bottom, and this is going to be the curvy bridge, so we're going to give it a little bend. We're going to glue it down. Now if we glue it, so the glue is here and here, and leave the flappy bits out. So you've already got the markers for you, so you haven't got to work out where it goes. So you're going to put some glue here, lots of it, because you want your bridge to stay up. And the same here, but not on the flappy bit. And then we're going to use the bridge, the bendy bit for a bridge, and stick it on and press hard. It's going to want to ping up. Press it down. There we are. So you've got your bridge shape. So you've still got the bendy bits on the end here. We're going to cover them up. So cover those up in a minute, and then your water is going to go underneath there. So one side is the side where the goats don't want to be, and the other side is the grassy bit. So we're going to stick some green on one side, and we're going to stick some dark brown on the other. So we're going to cover all of this up with our glue, and put the not nice side of the bridge on here. Squeeze that down. I'm just going to turn this round so I can reach it. Glue all over this one, the flap and the bottom of the bridge this time, and press your grass down over the top. And there we go. Let's put that back so the grass is on the green side. Okay, now you need to fill this in with some water. So I've got a rectangle blue paper. Again, you could find some blue paper, you could cut something out of a magazine. I'm sure you could find pictures of water somewhere, or you could just colour in something blue. Oh, you can see, make sure that it fits just nicely in there. It does, just right. I'm going to put the glue on the back of this one. All over, because you don't want the water pinging up. Oh, there we are, it started to curl already. Oh, come back. Oh, stuck to my table. You might have to get someone to hold it still while you push it in. Press it down so it sticks to the bottom. There we go. So we've got the beginnings of our bridge. Okay. Now we're going to use that piece of card that I said don't let go of. We need to bring that back, and we're going to cut out two rainbow shapes for our bridge. Okay, so you might want to draw around a big dinner plate, maybe a small plate. Depends how good you are at drawing circles. And then when you've done that, you'll have cut it out. And before you stick it onto your bridge, draw all the bricks around the outside. I started with the one at the top, and then I went round, just like on my drawing video. And you can watch how I do it. So you can copy that. So then you're ready to stick it onto your side of your bridge. Now you could glue it, might be a bit tricky. I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to sellotape it to make it much easier. I'm going to sellotape it on the other side. I'm going to bend my water over, give that a little squeeze to lay it flat. And the same with my grass. A nice edge there to bend it against. Now when I put that on the table, it will lie flat. Now this is just A little bit fiddly this bit. I'm going to use the sellotape. I'm going to push it through the hole. I'm going to use it to sellotape. We're going to make a little hinge. We're going to bend the sellotape in half so it catches onto the bridge and onto the brick bit. Okay, let's see if we can get this on without it falling off. Might have to do lots of little bits to make sure it catches. Another little bit that side. I'm going to bend it in half. There we are. You might be clever and maybe put some flaps on it to make it stay. If you bend the sellotape in half, it makes a little hinge and it stays on for you. There we go. Let's see. Let's fold that under there again. That might need a little bit of glue to hold that round. There we go. Yeah, I'm going to put a little bit of glue underneath there. Hold that down. It's going to keep popping up. One there. A little piece there. Bring that round. There we go. Now you stick the other one on the other side. Okay, now I'm just going to stop there. I'm going to just show you one side so we can move on to the puppets. Okay, so you've got your bridge ready to go. You might want to add some grass. You might get some real stones and stick them on this side. Maybe make yourself a little fish to put inside. Push that to one side. Now we're ready to make our puppets. Now, if you watch my drawing video, you'll see how to draw the troll and the big billy goat gruff, the medium-sized billy goat gruff and the small billy goat gruff. I'm going to show you how to draw the medium-sized one, just to show you how to put your puppet together. Okay, now I've used the piece of card that came out of the middle here, so I'm using all of the cereal box. So we can make as much use as we can of it. Okay, now I'm going to use my brown pen. We're going to do that little shape. We're going to do a little upside down bowl head. And then we're going to do his ears, the leaf shape. A line at the top. And then I'm going to do his horns. So going up and round. Do his curves to make it look curvy. And the other one, go up, pointy bit, background, do the curves. And I'm going to swap my pen over. I'm going to go to my black pen. Make sure I've got the right end of my pen. I'm going to do a little arrow, a line, and a smile. And his eyes are little oblongs that go sideways. So they're not straight up and down. Leave a little bit of white, the whites of his eyes. And I'm going to go back to my brown pen. I'm going to draw the fuzzy bit in the middle of his forehead. Now he's got a little beard. Big wiggly beard. Now we're going to do his tummy. Round he goes. Draw his bottom. His tail. Big fluffy tail, a little bit like a leaf again. And then his 2 feet. So wide out. And then again. Wide out. And then again. And then those bumps. So you can see his little hooves. There he is. And you're ready to cut him out. Now you can cut as closely as you like. Depends how good you are at cutting. Round we go. Be really careful not to chop his ears off. I'm going to go a little bit in the top there. Out. Now keep my fingers out of the way while I'm cutting. Around his tail. Around his feet. Chop that bit off the bottom. Oh, make that a little bit curvier. I'm going to go in there. Turn the card. Make sure I don't chop his tail off. There we go. All those bits. Now, I was thinking I'd like to put these on lolly sticks, and I thought I haven't got any lolly sticks at home. So again, I've got a little bit of cardboard box, a little bit of this, and drew my own lolly stick picture, and then cut it out. So I've got my own lolly stick, and all I need to do is turn it over and sellotape it onto the back. Press it down, and there we are. There, I've got my puppet. Now I thought also if you wanted to play with your puppets and you wanted them to stand up by yourself, you could perhaps make some little holes in the top of the bridge for the puppets to stand in if you like. It's up to you. And then you're ready to play the story. You can hide the troll under the bridge, and then the first billy goat can start trapping across, and then the troll will come out and talk to him. Okay. I look forward to seeing your stories and the things that you've made at home. See you soon. Bye-bye.